Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you that how can we make shadow on walls. So for this you have to just make a wall like this and then fill any solid color to this. Now for making shadow you have to firstly select this wall layer from here. Now after selecting just double click on it, and then here is an option which is drop shadow. You have to just tick mark on it and just double click on it. So here your drop shadow dialog box is open. Now you can fix your parameters for the shadow. Like you can, if you want, you can give more opacity to it, so that your shadow is will be more black. Then you can give more distance, so that your shadow will be at that distance from your wall. Basically your shadow will form from a distance, which distance from your wall, and this so this, or you can use spread. Your shadow is how much spread or how much not. If I want normal shadow, then I will use this. Then the size of the shadow, you can also define the size of the shadow. You can also choose the size, this type of shapes of your shadow. For example, if I'm taking this, using this, you can use this. You can change your shadow angle from here, like I am doing it 45 degree. So here is the change. So in this way you can make shadow on your wall. There is another way also, which is by using the polygonal lasso tool, which I will show you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.